Adventure for discovery of the direct sea route to India. After the decline of the Roman empires in the 7th century, the Arabs had established their domination in Egypt and Persia. As a result, direct contact between the Europeans and India declined, and easy accessibility of Indian commodities like spices, silk, and various precious stones, which had great demand, got affected. In 1453, city of Constantinople fell to Turkish ethnic group who were influencers. Goods for sale from India went to European market through Arab Muslim intermediaries. The Red Sea trade route was a state monopoly from which Islamic rulers earned tremendous revenues. The land route to India were also controlled by Arabs in this circumstances. Europeans were keen to find a direct sea route to India. 15th century European was gripped by a spirit of rebirth with its call for exploitation. At the same time, European made great advances in the art of shipbuilding and navigation. There was an eagerness all over European for adventurous sea voyages to reach unknown corners of the East. The economic development of many regions of European was also progressing rapidly with expansion of land under cultivating the introduction of an improved plow, scientific crop management such as crop rotation, increasing supply of meat prosperity also grew. Demand for luxury goods also increased. Historically observed that the idea of finding an ocean route to India had become an obsession for Prince Henry of Portugal, who was nicknamed the Navigator. He was a key to find a way to combat Muslim domination of the Eastern Mediterranean and also the routes that connected India to Europe. Pope Nicholas V gave Prince Henry a bull in 1454, conferring on him to the right of navigating the sea to distant shore of the Orient more specifically as far as India in the attempts to fight Islamic influence and spread the Christianity faith. Princess Henry died before his dream could become a reality. In 1497, under the Treaty of Tordesillas 1494, the rulers of Portuguese was Spain divided the non-Christian world between the by an imaginary line by the Atlantic some 1300 miles west of the Cape Verde Island. Under the treaty, Portugal could claim and occupy everything to the west. The situation thus prepared for the Portuguese invasion into the water around India. Thank you for the session. In the next class, we will come with the other topic.